Whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. Mark 11 and verse 24.
You ain't sure, but I'm for ya. All I could want, all I could wish for. Nights alone that we miss more. Days we save as souvenirs. There's no time, I wanna make more time. I'll give you my whole life, girl, I'm in my
Hey royals, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing and finessing this gorgeous 26-inch deep wave unit that I received from Hermosa hair company. So a bit about this unit: this is their 13x4 lace frontal 220% density deep wave unit, and this unit is definitely a must-have vacation unit. Like, the curls on this unit is just giving wavy beach vibes, which I'm loving. So if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I'll leave all the information in my description bar down below. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's jump right into the installation process.
So the unit that I'm going to be installing and reviewing today is in collaboration with Hermosa hair company. They were gracious enough to send me over their 26-inch deep wave unit. Inside of the pouch, along with the wig, I received a pair of stocking caps, a Hermosa elastic velcro band, and a pair of eyelashes. So a bit about this unit: this is their 26-inch 220% density 13x4 lace frontal unit, and this unit did come pre-plucked. And a bit about the inside cap construction of this wig: it has 3 combs behind of the lace, one on each side and one to the middle, and it also comes with a comb to the back as well as adjustable straps. So I did went ahead to bleach the knots on this unit, and I did went ahead to dye this deep wave unit jet black. So let's jump right into the installation process.
The unit that I'm going to be reviewing and installing is in partnership with Hermosa hair, and the wig came in this pouch right here along with some goodies as well. So the unit that I'm going to be installing today is their 26-inch deep wave unit. So this is their deep wave unit in 26 inches, you guys. So this is how long it is, and it's a 220% density. I did went ahead to dye the hair jet black per usual because I love jet black. So I'm gonna be tinting the lace using my black opal foundation. I'm going in with my Fantasia spritz, and I'm just gonna set the inside.
So to lay this unit today, I'm going in with my Kiss Almighty glue, and I'm just going to be applying 2 layers of this glue today for extra hold.
I know what you like.
So after applying both layers, I'm going in with my blow dryer, and after the glue is tacky, I'm just gonna pull the lace into the glue, and I'm going in with my Fantasia super hold spritz, and this is all I'm going to be using today to melt this unit.
I need to get rid of. I got to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind.
So while the lace is melting, I'm just going to work on my parting space. So I decided to go with a mid part today. I'm going in with my Murray's Australian beeswax in the black bottle, just to sleek the top portion of my hair down, and over that with my thermal hot comb. So once the lace has been melted, I'm going in with my razor comb just to cut off the extra lace to the front portion. So after cutting off the extra lace to the front portion, I'm going back in with my Fantasia Super Hold Sprit just to set everything in place, and then I'm going over that with my blow dryer.
So meanwhile, while the lace is melting, I'm gonna go ahead to dab my hair with a bit of water and conditioner. So by the time I'm ready to do my baby hairs, the hair would get back like this curly. So I went ahead to dab my hair, so I'm just gonna leave it to air dry a bit.
So now I'm just going to be sectioning out the hair to the front portion that I'm going to be using to create my baby hairs. So once I finish taking out the section of hair that I'm going to be using, I'm going in with my tweezers just to pluck out some hair a bit, and I'm going to just cut that down with my razor comb. So today I'm going to be using my Holy Grail, my Gorilla Snot Gel in Punk, to lay my edges, and I'm just going to swoop them in the direction I want them to go until I'm satisfied with how my baby hairs are laid. So once I'm done finessing my edges, I'm going in with my black opal foundation in the shade Carob just to define the parting space a bit more. To add a bit of shine and luster to this unit, I'm going in with my Isoplus hair sheen and over that with my tonal hot comb to make sure that the top portion of this unit is as sleek as possible. So I'm just going to go back in with a bit more of my Isoplus hair sheen just to complete the look and tie everything together. So that concludes the installation process of this gorgeous 26-inch deep wave unit from Hermosa Hair Company. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until then, see you in my next one, and God bless.
Guys, this is the end result of my 26-inch deep wave unit from Hermosa Hair Company. It's definitely giving vacation vibe. So far so good, you guys. This is a 220% density unit. It's not too thick, neither is it too thin. I went ahead to pre-pluck this unit a little bit more, and I also bleached the knot. I went ahead to dye this unit jet black to give it a more natural color, because you know I love my jet black unit. I received the minimal to little shredding. So this unit retails for $320.33 on their Hermosa Hair website. So they have length from 12 inches up to 30 inches, so you can choose whichever length would work best for you. So they also have 4x4 lace closures as well as 5x5, but this is a 13x4, and it does have a good sufficient amount of parting space. As you guys can see, it's almost a 6-inch. I love the deep parting space on this unit. So again, I'll leave all the information for this unit in my description bar down below. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, see you in my next video, and always remember to put God first in everything that you do.